Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I am going to explain chapter 7 using tools in Flash CS6. Chapter 7 using tools in Flash CS6. In Flash, in previous chapter, you all have learned about introduction of Flash CS6. In that chapter, you have learned Flash workspace, stage, timeline, tool panel, property panel, library panel, etc. In this chapter class, you will learn using tools in Flash, how to use tools and how to make changes in their properties of tools. Now you can see how I am going to apply this, how I am going to using the tools. You all will see in this chapter. There are so many tools, but now today listen you first of all about selection tool.
Selection tool is used to select.
Now class, one thing keep in your mind, every tool name given in tool panel suggested their work, like selection tool. The selection tool is used to select and move objects. Objects means here any images you have drawn on stage, any diagram, triangle, line, rectangle, circle, etc. That is called object. To move an object, simple you have to click on the selection tools from tool panel and click on the object. Once the object is selected, click left button and hold down the mouse button and drag and drop to the new position. Drag and drop to the new position. Then now your icon, your images, your selected object will be moved to new place. This is the work of selection tool. Next tool is
Select and move objects.
next tool is
Selection to the object. Click
this is the work of selection tool. Now your next tool is line tool.
line tool.
Line tool
Line tool is used to draw straight lines between two points.
line tool is used to draw a straight line between 2 points. To using the line tool, you have to select line tool from tool panel and click at one point on the stage and without releasing the mouse button, drag to another point. When you release the mouse pointer, you will see that a line will be drawn. The very simple of using the line tool.
When you release,
But now
line will be drawing a line.
before drawing a line, you all need to define the properties of the line in property panel. How to make changes in their property?
Click stroke color
in property there are some setting that you can change. After that, when you draw line, then selected property will be applied there. In that, now first stock color. Stock color property of line tool is used to set the color of line. In that, some other given stock height option. So this option will make the changes width or thickness of line. So this setting also you can apply in that. Like see now here, given property stock color. When you click on this option, then now stock color dialog box appear. From here style, you can change the style of line, scale, cap. There are many options are given. So one by one you can apply all these options as you required. Next now the pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw freehand line and curves. You can use pencil tool to draw any shape which is not there in the tool panel. Because of pencil tool is used to draw freehand drawing. In freehand drawing, you not need any kind of restriction. To apply the pencil tool, select the pencil tool from tool panel. Then click at one point and without releasing the mouse button, drag and drop. Your line will be drawn. Wherever you move your mouse pointer, line will be drawn. So this is the use of pencil tool. Same setting as you have done of line tool, you can apply in pencil tool also. Here also given stock color, stock, style, scale, cap and some more option. After make changes, when you move your mouse pointer, then according to your setting, line will be drawn. According to your setting, line will be drawn. So this is the use of pencil tool. Now one more tool, pen tool. The pen tool is used to draw precise path as a straight line or smooth flowing curves. You can also adjust the angle and length of the straights, segment and slope of curve segment afterward. To applying curve, very simple. First of all, you have to draw a straight line with a pen tool. A simple step to draw a straight line. First of all, you have to select the pen tool. Look here, this is your pen tool. Select your pen tool and now click at start position. Click at the start position. After that, one by one, clicking at the other position, and your line will be drawn. You can see here, click here, again click here, there. You don't need to drag. Here. Only you have to click at one position. Then now your diagram will be drawn. After that, to finalize To finalize at the last point, you need to double click. To finalizing the last point, you need to double click on the last point. Then you will see that your line drawn, your images will be drawn according to your clicking of the mouse. So that's all about this topic. Today I have covered these three topics. It's enough for today. It's enough for today. In other class I will make some other tools, make the use of other tools. If you made any mistakes while drawing your line, you may use undo option to reverse back. To you apply undo option, you have to go in edit menu and select undo option. Then you will come back of your previous drawn. For today it's enough class. Thank you all for today. Thank you class.